So what are the common indoor pollutants that you usually see in the home? So these are many. It can come from your detergent, from your cleaning agents. Pwede din yan dun sa mga pabango na inilalagay nyo doon sa inyong bahay with your insecticide, and also from the fumes of your oil that you are cooking. So ang pinakamaganda talaga na setup of a house is yung kitchen should be outside of the home. Lalo na kung hindi maganda yung ventilation ng bahay, because it can literally choke you. And if you are using Teflon and some pots that have aluminum on them, or just forever chemicals, this can be harmful to your body, especially if you ingest or inhale the fumes that are coming from these pots.